Exercise 8.3, Problem 12, Discussion. Let's read the problem. A hollow cylindrical pipe is of length 40 cm. Its internal and external radii are 4 cm and 12 cm respectively. It's melted and cast into a solid cylinder of length 20 cm. Find the radius of the new solid. Okay, let's mark. A hollow cylinder, it's a hollow cylindrical pipe of length 40 cm, which is height for us. Its internal and external radii are 4 cm and 12 cm. Okay, and it is melted and recast into a solid cylinder, and the length is, which is height for us, is 20 cm. So what does it mean? You have a cylindrical pipe. The length of it is 40 cm, and the internal, being a hollow cylinder, you will have internal as well as external radii, and that is melted and recast into a solid cylinder. So what does it mean? The material is conserved. So the volume of the hollow cylinder will be equal to volume of the solid cylinder. That is the key condition. Okay, right. So let's list it out. Given inner radius of pipe R1 equal to 4 cm, outer radius is 12 cm, R2 equal to 12 cm, height, which is the length of the pipe, is 20 cm. Capital H for the solid cylinder is 40 cm. Okay, this is what is given. So what are we asked? We are asked to calculate radius of the new solid. We are asked to calculate radius of the new solid, which is a solid cylinder. So let's write the formulas first. The volume of the hollow solid cylinder is pi r squared h, capital R. Okay, to differentiate the radius of the solid cylinder and hollow, we are using caps for the solid cylinder and small r for the hollow cylinder. Volume of a hollow cylinder is pi r2 square minus r1 square into h. R2 is the external radius, r1 is the internal radius. Now what's the hint? Volume of the solid cylinder is equal to volume of the hollow cylinder, right? Because material is conserved. So pi r squared h equal to pi r2 square minus r1 square into h. This is the volume of the solid cylinder, and this is the volume of the hollow cylinder. Okay, in this equation only r, the capital R, that is radius of the solid cylinder, is unknown. All other things are known. So all we need to do is substitute those values, R2, R1, H of the hollow cylinder and H of the solid cylinder, and simplify this equation. You will be able to get the value of capital R. Okay, so this is the key, that is volume of the hollow cylinder, solid cylinder equal to volume of the hollow cylinder. Right, now let's summarize the steps. So let capital R be the radius of the solid cylinder. Equate the volume of the solid cylinder to volume of the pipe, that is the hollow cylinder. Okay, the pipe is nothing but a hollow cylinder, and simplify it, you will get this pi r squared h equal to pi r2 square minus r1 square. So this is unknown. Okay, so okay, I think this letter should be in this reddish maroon. By mistake it is in green. Okay, substitute the values of r1, r2, h and capital H, that is the inner radius, outer radius, height of the pipe or the length of the pipe, and the length of the solid cylinder. In this equation you will be able to get the radius of the solid cylinder. Okay, so let's pause the video here and you try to work this problem on your own. Once done, check you are working against our solution. If everything is okay, good. Else find out where it is not right and correct it. Okay, if the solution. The inner radius of the pipe R1 equal to 4 cm, outer radius is 12 cm, R2. Height or the length of the pipe is 20 cm. Sorry, this must be small h. It's a mistake here. So let R be the radius of the solid cylinder. Okay, and H is the, capital H is the, this must be small h. Actually, it's a mistake. And capital H is the radius, height of the solid cylinder. So we know volume of the solid cylinder is equal to volume of the pipe. The pipe is nothing but a hollow cylinder. So write the formulas: pi r squared h, okay, pi r squared h equal to pi r2 square minus r1 square. Okay, pi r2 square h, pi r squared h equal to pi r2 square minus r1 square h. So substitute all these values. So pi r is what you want to know. H is the height of the solid cylinder, so that will be 20 here. Okay, and the the external radius is 12 centimeter. The inner radius is 4 centimeter, and the length of the pipe is 40 centimeter. Okay, it's given here 40 centimeter, and I think we have missed to list it out here. Okay, that is 40 centimeter. So which means this pi and pi will get cancelled. So capital R square will be equal to this 20 will go 2 times. This 12 square minus 4 square is a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. So it will become 12 plus 4 into 12 minus 4 into 2. So that is 16 into 8 into 2. So r square is so much, and this a2s are 16. So r square is 16 into 16, and r will be equal to square root of that, that is 16 centimeters. Okay, so the radius of the solid cylinder is 16 centimeters. Okay, so check you're working against this. I hope it is right. Okay, I'm sorry, there is a mistake here. It's the height or the length. It's not length of the pipe, it is length of the cylinder. Okay, that's the thing. Capital H is 20 centimeters. That is right. It's not as I told you earlier. This is to be cylinder. And one more mistake is that we have not listed the length of the hollow cylinder. That is 40 centimeter. We have not listed. So please include that. Okay. So that is it from us. Okay. Thanks for watching the video.